We are pleased to show you the 2021 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, compass, head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.